Hey, this is Roy here from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Inside the showroom today, checking out this absolutely gorgeous 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible. This is an iconic piece of Americana automobile history. As you know, hard to beat the 57 Bel Air for styling and history. Check out the chrome on the grille, just the styling everywhere you look, the spears in the hood. Just a gorgeous car. Now this particular 57 Bel Air is a car we're selling on consignment for a local gentleman who's got a little bit of a collection and he's looking to thin it down a little bit. He purchased this one about a year ago out of Florida. The restoration was a frame-off restoration, and I believe it may have been done about 10 years ago, but it looks like it was done yesterday. Check out the paint and body. It is absolutely gorgeous and just about flawless. This is the Matador Red. All of your chrome trim and stainless is absolutely gorgeous. Looks brand new. As you can see, it has the fender skirts. This one also has the Continental kit. You can see those dual antennas. Beautiful body. Now this one's got the 283 4-barrel. I think they call it the Super Turbo Fire 4-barrel. I believe it's rated at 220 horsepower. It's coupled to the Power Glide 2-speed automatic transmission, power steering. Really cruises the road beautifully. Check out all that chrome. The rear bumper is awesome. As you can see, paint and body are absolutely gorgeous. Paint's got tons of reflection. Was just buffed out actually. Beautiful set of white walls, the original hubcaps. And on my website we'll have all sorts of pictures so you can take a look closer at this particular Bel Air convertible. I just want to give you the quick walk around tour. I'm going to fire it up in a second. Interior is gorgeous. Does have a white power convertible top that's like new. Let's check out that interior. Now the only thing I noted that on the interior, it did not put the buttons in the back of the seats. That might have been a personal preference thing. It could certainly be added and does not detract from the beauty of this Bel Air by any means. Check out that steering wheel and dash. Let me fire it up, let you hear it running. She starts up with the turn of the key. There you go. Chevrolet red rubber mats on the correct carpeting. Finish out the interior nicely. All your weather stripping, doors, trunk, everywhere, that's all been replaced. She purrs like a kitten, barely hear her running. This is a cruiser, absolutely fantastic. Drop the top, drive and enjoy, take it to the car shows. It's an investment quality car without a doubt. If you've been in the market for a 57 Bel Air convertible, this is one you don't want to miss. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much. Good luck.